Good day, kids! Welcome to the English 4 video lesson. This is Teacher Diana, and I'm glad to provide you with fun and meaningful opportunities for guided and independent learning. All the activities provided in this lesson will help you learn and understand prepositions, among and between. And now, let us try to answer this activity. This activity will measure your prior knowledge about the lesson at hand.
For our first activity, complete the sentences by putting among or between. Write your answer on the blanks provided. For number 1, the bank is open blank 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. What is your answer? Right, between. The bank is open between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. Let's try number 2. There was disagreement blank members about who should be the new club president. Your answer is? Very good, among. There was disagreement among members about who should be the new club president. For number 3, he was dancing in blank, Billy and Tom. The correct answer is between. He was dancing in between Billy and Tom. Okay. For number 4, I can't decide blank these t-shirts. What is your answer? Very good. It's between. I can't decide between these t-shirts. For number 5, I walk blank the trees and the house. Very good. It's between. I walk between the trees and the house.
Alright, we have learned about the different uses of preposition in the sentence. We all know that preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. And this time, let's take a look on the pictures that I have prepared for you. Let's study the pictures and phrases.
This is the picture A. Between spaghetti and pizza, we have burger and French fries. Again, between spaghetti and pizza. Picture B. Among the foods.
So kids, how many nouns are there in picture A? Alright, we have 2 nouns. How about in picture B? Very good. We have 5 nouns. Can you name the foods in picture A and picture B? Alright. In picture A, we have spaghetti and pizza. And in picture B, we have spaghetti, pizza, hamburger, fries, and fruits. Are these words nouns? Yes, they are all nouns. What word comes before spaghetti? Alright, between. How about the word before pizza? Very good. It's the word and. And now, what is the word before the foods? Alright, among. For today's lesson, we will study about prepositions among and between and how to use them in a sentence. Let's find out in the story how these prepositions among and between will be used in the sentence. But first, let's unlock some difficult words in the story using the pictures. Our first picture is a picture of seeds. This is a picture of seeds. Our second picture, we have fertilizers. This is a picture of fertilizers. And our third picture, we have healthy plants. This picture of the healthy plants, meaning it grows strongly and the leaves are fair. Come, let us now read the story and let's find out what activity was given by the teacher to the grade 4 students.
The title of our story is Taking Care of the Plants. The grade 4 section parrot of Mr. Joey was required to plant seeds in the school garden. The class was given a long time to take care of them. They watered them every day, placed them under the sun, and put some fertilizers on them. The seeds had grown into new plants after several weeks. Among these plants, they chose the healthiest one. As a part of their lesson, he let his students compare the plants. Plant A was a healthy plant. Plant B was healthier than plant A. The students were able to identify the healthier plants between plant A and plant B. He also explained how they can have healthy plants. He said they must take care of them because plants are important to human beings.
Do you like the short story? How well did you understand the story? Now, let us answer the following questions. Number 1. What activity was given by the teacher to the grade 4 students? Yes, Mr. Joey required the grade 4 students to plant seeds in the school garden. For number 2 question, why did the grade 4 students take care of the plants? Yes, the students took care of the plants so they can have healthy plants. For number 3 question, do you think you can also take care of the plants? How?
Yes, Teacher Diana. I can also take care of the plants by watering them regularly and applying correct fertilizers for them to grow healthy.
Alright! All of your answers are correct. And you know what? Gardening will keep you well during this time of coronavirus pandemic. Science has proven that gardening is good for you, for all of us. This pandemic reveals the importance of growing your own food. It is more convenient, it is free and healthy. So let us be healthy and plant a vegetable, fruits, or a tree. And now, let us read the following sentences. Number 1. Among these plants, they chose the healthiest one. Among is used when we talk about things that are not distinct or they are not the same or things that belong in one group. In this picture and sentence, what are those things that belongs to one group in the sentence? Alright, the answer is plants. For number 2 sentence, the students were able to identify the healthier plant between plant A and plant B. Between is a preposition and it could be used in 2 ways. First, it is used when we talk about 2 items. It could be a person, a place, or a thing. In the sentence, what are these 2 items? Alright, the answer is plant A and plant B. Another example using the preposition between. The students can't decide between flowering plants, vegetable plants, and herbal plants. In this sentence, between can also be used when we talk about more than 2 things as long as they are distinct and not the same and individual items. What are those distinct or not the same items? Yes, the answers are flowering plants, vegetable plants, and herbal plants. And now, let's try some examples as a practice exercise. Do the thumbs up if you think the preposition is used in the sentence correctly, and do the thumbs down if not.
Number 1. The pencil fell between the books.
The answer is thumbs up. The preposition between is used to talk about two items.
Number 2. Our house is between the wood, the river, and the village.
The answer is thumbs up again. You can also use the preposition between for more than two things as long as they are not the same item.
Number 3. She lives in the house among the trees.
The correct answer is thumbs up. The preposition among is used when talking about things that belong in one group. This time, I know you are now ready to answer the activities that I have prepared for you.
In this activity, you are going to underline the proper preposition in each sentence. Number 1. They were walking blank the crowds. What is the correct answer? Very good. It's among. They were walking among the crowds. Number 2. Joey was sitting blank Mary and Ben. What word should be underlined? Very good. It's between. Joey was sitting between Mary and Ben. Number 3. My brother's house is blank, the forest, the river, and the village. What should be the underlined preposition? Very good. It's between. My brother's house is between the forest, the river, and the village. Number 4. I'm trying to decide blank, the red ball, the blue ball, and the yellow ball. What is your answer? Very good. It's between. I'm trying to decide between the red ball, the blue ball, and the yellow ball. Number 5. The old temple is hidden blank trees. The correct answer is among. The old temple is hidden among trees.
That's great! You got it all right. I still have some for you. Use proper prepositions among and between in each sentence. Write your answer on the space provided.
Number 1. The house is blank the market and the church. The correct answer is between. Our house is between the market and the church. Let's try number 2. My earphone fell down blank the desk and the wall. Very good. It's between. My earphone fell down between the desk and the wall. Number 3. Ben always wanted to go swimming blank dolphins. Very good. It's among. Ben always wanted to go swimming among dolphins. Number 4. I walked blank the trees. Very good. It's among. I walked among the trees. Number 5. He was sitting blank Joey and Lani. Very good. It's between. He was sitting between Joey and Lani.
This time, let's summarize the concepts and application of the lesson. Let us arrange the letters to form a word that will wrap everything up that we talked about in this lesson. Between is used to talk about more than two things as long as they are distinct and individual items. How about among? Among is used to talk about things that are distinct and belong in one group. Alright, let us read again. Between is used to talk about more than two things as long as they are distinct and individual items. While among is used to talk about things that are not distinct and belong in one group. And now, let us have this activity that will measure how much you have learned from the entire lesson. Alright, are you ready?
For this activity, you are going to encircle the correct letter that will make the sentence correct. Number 1. I can't choose blank these movies. Letter A, among. B, between. C, from. D, on. Very good. It's letter A, among. I can't choose among these movies. Number 2. The teacher was popular blank the students. Letter A, between. B, to. C, among. D, in. Very good. It's among. Letter C. The teacher was popular among the students. Number 3. She was dropped blank the two cars. A, among. B, between. C, in. D, above. Very good. Between. Letter B. She was dropped between the two cars. Number 4. Anna's house is blank market and mall. A, under. B, among. C, between. Letter D, on. Nice! You got the correct answer. It's letter C, between. Anna's house is between market and mall. Number 5. You can only choose blank apple and orange. A, among. B, from. C, between. Letter D, to. Very good. It's letter C, between. You can only choose between apple and orange.
I am glad that you are with me and you got all the correct answers. And because of that, I have prepared additional activities for you. I believe that you can do all of this correctly. Look at the pictures below. Make a simple sentence in each picture using preposition among and between. Be guided by the rubrics here in answering the activity. Here is the rubrics. You will get 3 points if the students use the preposition among and between properly. 2 points if the sentence is related to the pictures. And 1 point if the writing is clear. The total of 5 points. Yay! This is the end of the lesson on preposition among and between. I am glad to provide you with fun and meaningful opportunities for guided and independent learning at your own pace and time. Thank you for watching.